Let us introduce the new Fotric TD2e kit. This kit comes with a high-quality carrying case, designed to withstand external impact and protect your equipment in the field. Let's open it up and take a look at what's inside. Inside the case, you'll find two accessory boxes and the instrument bag. Starting with the first accessory box, .it includes a charging dock and power adapter. You can charge the device either through the dock or via the Type-C port. The kit comes with 2 batteries, giving you extended operating time for longer inspections. Inside the instrument bag, you'll find the TD2e acoustic imager, along with an additional battery. Now, let's open the second accessory box. Inside, you'll find a shoulder strap and a tool holster. The shoulder strap works with the instrument bag for easier carrying, while the tool holster can be attached to your belt for fast, convenient access during operation. In addition, the TD2e kit includes a 1.5-year warranty. When it comes to applications, the TD2e is highly versatile. It can detect leaks across a wide range of gases and is an efficient alternative to the traditional soap and water method. Leak detection is incredibly fast. You can locate multiple leak points in just a few minutes.